Daily use short English sentences. My phone battery is running low. I'm feeling quite enthusiastic about it. I'm feeling so happy about it. I have to walk the dog. She's not feeling well. Let's try a new recipe for dinner. Congrats on your success. He's very supportive of my dreams. I'm impressed by your talent. She played the piano. I have to return some books to the library. I'm not in the mood for jokes right now. Thanks for your unwavering support and encouragement. I'm not good at remembering names. Let's go out for dinner. He's very organized with his paperwork. He played the guitar. He's very knowledgeable about current events. The baby slept peacefully. Let's go shopping this weekend. The traffic was really heavy this morning. I'm grateful for your kindness. She's really talented at playing instruments. I'm feeling quite ecstatic about it. I'm going to start a new hobby. I'm feeling optimistic about it. I'm feeling really good about it. Let's go for a walk by the river. He's quite talkative. That's a great choice. I'm not sure how to navigate the situation. He forgot his umbrella. I have to change the light bulbs. I'm feeling so delighted about it. I'm glad we got to spend some time together. Bravo for a job well done. She's really adventurous when it comes to trying new foods. Let's have a picnic by the lake. Congratulations on your well-deserved accolades. That's such a great solution. They watched fireworks. I'm really proud of you. He wrote a letter. She twirled in her dress. He's very understanding of cultural differences. I'm feeling really thrilled about it. Let's go for a picnic in the park. I'm going to start journaling. She sang in the shower. She's really creative with her artwork. He's very encouraging during tough times. That's such a good strategy. I'm feeling quite ecstatic. I'm not comfortable with heights. He's very understanding of cultural differences. I have to rake the leaves. Let's go for a pottery class. Let's try a new sport together. Congratulations on your accomplishment. I'm not comfortable with public speaking. He's very knowledgeable about history. That's such a smart move. It rained heavily. Let's go for a wine tasting. I'm feeling really good about this. Let's go for a jazz concert. Thank you for being the wind beneath my wings. I'm feeling really positive about it. I'm going to start cooking more meals at home. I'm feeling really upbeat about it. That's such a wonderful plan. He's a bit forgetful sometimes. He washed the dishes. She's always full of energy. He rode his skateboard. That's a fantastic initiative. I'm feeling really upbeat about it. That's a wonderful thought. The cake was yummy. She knitted a scarf. Let's make some popcorn and watch a movie. Let's order takeout for dinner tonight. I'm feeling quite excited about it. Your wisdom and guidance have been invaluable. She's really enthusiastic about volunteering. He's very knowledgeable about history. I'm feeling so happy about it. I'm feeling quite excited. I'm looking forward to the weekend. That's exactly what I wanted to hear. He's very supportive of my goals. I'm feeling very encouraged about it. That's a fantastic opportunity. I have to pick up my dry cleaning. The phone rang. Thanks for going above and beyond. I'm feeling quite overjoyed about it. They ate ice cream. She's really creative with her solutions. The fire crackled in the fireplace. That's a brilliant concept. The moon shone bright. That's such a good strategy. That's a wonderful thought. She cooked dinner. We went for a walk in the park. I'm sorry for being late. Let's go for a swim at the pool. That's such a great plan. That's such a great solution. I'm not comfortable with heights. Thanks for believing in me when I doubted myself. I'm going to start learning how to make sushi. He smiled at her. I'm going to start learning how to cook Indian food. Hello, I'm Charlotte. Excited to be here. Let's go for a chocolate tasting. I'm feeling a bit nervous about the presentation. I'm going to start learning how to do glassblowing. That's a brilliant idea. I'm truly blessed to have you in my life. That's such a smart move. I'm not a fan of horror movies. Let's go for a drive in the countryside. That's such a great solution. I have to fix the leaky faucet. That's a brilliant concept. He rode his bike. He's very understanding of others' feelings. He's very supportive of my goals. She's really talented at singing. Let's go for a music concert. Let's have a movie night at home. I'm feeling fantastic today. I'm feeling a bit stressed about the upcoming exam. I'm going to clean the house this weekend. I'm feeling a bit nostalgic about childhood memories. Thank you for being my anchor in stormy seas. Let's try a new restaurant for dinner. I'm feeling a bit anxious about social events. We danced in the rain and got wet. I'm feeling really good about it. She's really organized with her study materials. I'm not a fan of cold weather. I'm feeling quite elated. I'm feeling quite overjoyed about it. I'm feeling really energized about it. Let's go for a stand-up comedy show. That's a brilliant concept. She's excellent at solving puzzles. I have to water the plants. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed with work. Let's plan a trip together sometime. I'm going to take a nap. Do not disturb. She's really enthusiastic about volunteering. That's such a smart move. He's very supportive of my goals. I have to fix the squeaky door. That's such a smart idea. I'm feeling really positive about it. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed with work. I have to clean the gutters. That's such a wonderful plan. That's a fantastic initiative. I'm feeling really energized. Please remember to lock the door before leaving. I'm going to start learning how to do woodworking. I'm feeling really inspired about it. Let's go for a hike this weekend. She likes painting a lot. Your presence brings peace to my soul. She's really determined to succeed. You're awesome. You're a shining example to us all. I'm going to start saving money. I'm feeling a bit exhausted from the long week. She read a book. This movie is so boring. He's very supportive of my decisions. I'm sorry to hear about your loss. I'm so thankful for your help. I'm feeling quite elated about it. He built a sand castle. I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings. Let's go for a pottery painting workshop. I'm thankful for your friendship. That's a great idea.